This lighthouse is the perfect place during a zombie apocalypse. Þrídrangaviti Lighthouse is said to be an introvert's dream house and an amazing place to be in during a zombie apocalypse. Þrídrangaviti Lighthouse is located on top of a rock about 6 miles off the coast of Iceland. Þrídrangaviti means 3 rocks, and was built back in 1939 just before the start of World War II. It can be accessed by a helicopter nowadays and even has a small helipad for making the landing easier. However, when the construction began back in 1938, helicopters were yet to be invented. Workers would scale the 120-foot-high rock for making their way to the top and laying down the foundation of the lighthouse by hands. They also had to make sure that they didn't end up falling into the cold North Atlantic Ocean. Project director Arne G. Thorarensen said in an old article, "The first thing we had to do was create a road up to the cliff. We got together of experienced mountaineers, all from the Westman Islands. Then we brought drills, hammers, chains, and clamps to secure the chains. Once they got near the top there was no way to get any grip on the rock, so one of them got down on his knees, the second stood on his back, and then the third climbed on top of the other 2 and was able to reach the nib of the cliff above. I cannot even tell you how I was feeling whilst witnessing this incredibly dangerous procedure." Þrídrangaviti Lighthouse is located on the highest of the 3 rocks, which is known as Helipad, or High Rock. The view from the top is mesmerizingly spectacular, however, very few are willing to live in complete isolation only to enjoy it. Þrídrangaviti Lighthouse is uninhabited apart from any occasional maintenance that might be carried out. It does, however, have its own Facebook fan page with more than 4,000 people following it.